Today on CJ Off-Road, we're going to ditch our factory muffler on our 2-liter turbo JL Wrangler. I'm going to show you guys how to do it and just what we chose. So with our 2018 JL Wrangler, we decided to go with a Borla axle-back S-type exhaust. Now this exhaust features 2 tips as well as their durable black finish. You might have known Borla in the past for their extreme performance and reliability on the Mustang side of things. However, they've brought that over to the new JL Wrangler. I'm happy to say that this fits both your 3.6 liter as well as your 2.0 liter turbo, and it's going to have the exact same results when it's done. Now I can't wait to get this thing fired up, but first we got to show you how to put it on. First thing that we're going to do is remove this 15mm bolt holding on the muffler section of our exhaust. Now I already sprayed a little bit of PV Blaster, or you can use any penetrating oil just to get in there. Ours is rusty already after 5,000 miles. So I'm going to get on that with a 15mm, get that pulled off. Now we got to get these hangers off, and let me tell you guys, this is going to be the least amount of fun you have putting your new exhaust on, because they are on there pretty good and they're going to fight you. They're going to fight you until you don't want to be fighting anymore. Oh, okay. Back this way. Back this way. Back that way. Back this way. I don't think it's moving at all.
It's in it.
And a week later, with Brendan's help, she's finally out. Now it's time to put the new Borla exhaust on. First thing we're going to do is slide it onto the back piece like so. Make sure the band clamp is on there as well. So we're going to get that slid on. Once we get that decently on, we're going to go back again and struggle with these rubber pieces. There's one. And then there's the second one, just like that. That was actually really easy, guys. It'll be definitely well worth the struggle after you get it slid on. We're gonna push this back section back, and then that same 15mm that we pulled off, we're gonna get tightened up on the Borla clamp. Same 15mm, it's gonna go right on there. Well guys, that's a wrap. We showed you how to remove that factory exhaust and install your brand new Borla S-Type dual tip black exhaust onto your JL Wrangler. Now the install is super simple. You only need a 15mm socket as well as an exhaust hanger removal tool, but you can get that done also by using a 13mm socket and removing the bracket that holds it on. Now I'm super excited to see what this sounds like, so I'm gonna hop in and give you guys a sound clip of what it sounds like when the Jeep's running. Hope you enjoyed that video. To stay up to date on our CJ Off-Road videos, make sure to subscribe up top here, and for any other installs, make sure to click the link right above.